Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are seeing too many streams, it means your account has reached the maximum number of simultaneous streams allowed. So Prime Video blocks new playback until one stops. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to fix too many streams error on Prime Video in 2026. Simple and effective. So you have to know that Prime Video limits simultaneous streams per account. Same title may have strict limits. It applies across all devices, so focus on active streams plus account usage. So first thing, stop playback on other devices, like check all devices using your account. Stop videos playing in the background. It frees up stream slots instantly. Close all Prime Video sessions, like exit Prime Video on all devices, wait a few seconds and restart playback on your device. So this resets active streams, okay? Sign out from unused devices also, like open Prime Video on devices you don't use and sign out. This prevents hidden streaming sessions. Otherwise, restart your device, like restart your TV, phone, or streaming device. This clears stuck playback sessions, or wait for session reset, like wait 5 to 10 minutes. Sometimes streams remain active briefly after stopping, okay? You can change your password if needed to, like reset your Amazon password, log out from all devices. This forces all users to disconnect, okay? You can also avoid streaming same title on multiple devices, like same or some content has stricter limits per title. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.